Hello everybody, welcome back to Tech Coach. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a beautiful stunning collage with the help of InShot app. Just go to InShot app, tap on the video, go to new. Now you need to select the blank, tap on the canvas and expand the size of the blank screen. Now you need to select the ratio and you can go to the background. Tap the white color and select the white color. Now you need to go to PIP. Tap on that and select a picture from your gallery. Once it's selected, adjust it according to your screen. Do it the same way and decrease the size of the videos one by one. Once the size is decreased, then you need to split the video in two parts. One part you need to do black and white, and rest of the part you need to keep it color, just to give a beautiful transition effect on the collage. You can add animations as well. InShot will give you multiple options to animate your video. You need to follow the same steps with other 3 photos. One part is black and white and other part is colored. Once you're done with it, you can preview the collage. Just play the video. See how beautifully and successfully we have done this collage.